In its pursuit towards Atmanirbhar Bharat, country's energy demands are growing. Union government's aim is to have an energy agenda to ensure energy justice blended with a sustainable growth. The country is moving towards a gas-based economy and is working towards increasing the share of natural gas from 6.3% to 15% in the energy mix in coming years to ensure cleaner, greener and more inclusive future for India.
सरकार गैस बेस्ड इकोनॉमी के सभी आयामों पर ध्यान दे रही है। देश में गैस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को मजबूत करने के लिए एलएनजी टर्मिनल्स की संख्या बढ़ाने, नेशन वाइड गैस ग्रिड और सिटी गैस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क पर एक साथ काम किया जा रहा है।
We are witnessing a quantum leap in this saga of natural gas. Kochi, the port town of Kerala, is now being connected with Mangaluru, another port city in Karnataka. Kochi-Mangaluru pipeline is a part of Government of India's ambitious plan to connect these states with national gas grid to reap the benefits of gas-based economy. This 450-kilometer long pipeline is designed to transport 12 million metric standard cubic meters per day of natural gas and is laid at a cost of rupees 3,000 crore. The LNG imported at Kochi is regasified to provide the state of Kerala and coastal Karnataka uninterrupted clean energy and affordable fuel. Households and commercial units would be served with piped natural gas and transport sector across 10 districts. This will improve air quality of the cities. Gas pipelines eliminate the need of moving fuels through road tankers and reduce the congestion on roads. The pipeline offers clean industrial fuel and feedstock for the petrochemical and fertilizer sectors and provides an opportunity for multiple gas-based industries to emerge, thus creating innumerable direct and indirect job opportunities. The pipeline project itself created over 12 lakh man-days of employment during the construction. Laying of this 30-inch and 24-inch pipeline amidst highly populated habitations, squeezed right-of-use passages, tough terrains, rocky areas, hillocks. Water bodies posed complex challenges which were handled innovatively by use of advanced technology. This pipeline augurs a sparkling future by bonding states and fueling economy. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji dedicates this GAIL India Limited's magnificent venture of Kochi-Mangaluru natural gas pipeline to the nation today.